Do you think these presentations help promote science within the primary school groups?
Well, I think especially your forms of presentation were quite interesting to them because you made them quite visual and hands-on, so they could try things and could see things in motion. Especially, for example, I looked at the fuel cell, and some pupils used electrons to make them move around. That was really interesting, I think. On the other hand, they're of course interested in you guys from other countries, although their English might not be as good yet.
Okay. Do you think the involvement of primary school students in these activities will help them engage in science later in their career?
I think they know a lot about renewable energy, and I think that they learn a lot.
Do you think that the lessons created and given by the primary school students are more effective than the regular lessons?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
You could really see how they followed every one of your moves, even though they didn't understand a lot. But they were very interested in you as guys, as people, because you're pretty much on the same level. So it's not like a teacher-student relationship, but more like a student-student relationship. And student-based teaching is always a good thing, I think.
And they are so quiet and they listen to you. That's not.
That's not normal.
In the classroom,
Okay. Do you think that these lessons were presented in a way that is understandable for the students?
I think sometimes it was a little bit difficult because they are maybe not that
difficult on two levels.
Yeah.
On the one hand, you've got the difficulty degree of what is based on science, which is not really adequate for their age because they're 10, 11, they're year 5, and the English is another problem. So they've got two layers of difficulty. My personal opinion is that it might be more suitable for, let's say, year 7s or year 8s. It's my personal opinion, although I think it's a really good thing for the year 5s. They're very interested in it.
and that help them that they can do something. I think it's
do you think the students could understand the presentations in English?
not the English
yeah,
teacher,
yeah.
but I think it was really difficult.
Yeah.
It was good that there was a German.
Yeah, definitely. I think it's a good thing that there is a German student who can still translate. Yeah. And I think it's a good thing that some groups used the key vocabulary. For example, I saw a group talk about wind energy, and they had the English words like curved and the German word for organ and so on and so forth. So I had the impression that you gave your very best to make them understand as much as possible in English, although maybe they are not there yet.
And finally, do you think that this activity has increased the interest in the other European countries?
Definitely. So I was showing them pictures of the workshops you did on Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday, and they were very curious to find out who's from Croatia, who's Spanish, who's Danish, what does he look like, what does she look like. So they see that you are from another country, but you share some interests, and that's really good, and that's what Europe is about.
And they also want to learn some new words. Yeah. You say hello.
And all the cursing words.
Yeah.
So,
I think they like it, yeah.
Yeah, thanks for your time.
Yeah, you're welcome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
come back again soon.
Yeah.
I hope so.
In my lessons, like every lesson.
We will try.